On our journey, we've had the most fun, and our stop in Acadia at Tidal Falls to see the sea stars was probably one of the most amazing things. You can see here in this video that I've sped up, these two starfish are getting off the rock, but they never stop holding on to each other. It's really cute. And it takes forever. They're really slow, and then at the end they kind of fall off like a snake. It was pretty cool. But better than that was actually getting to hold a sea star in your hand, feeling its little feet tickle you. It was pretty amazing. And we didn't just see one sea star. They were everywhere, all over. It was so cool. And Alexis found this teeny tiny baby sea star. I don't know if you can actually tell from this with my phone, but in this little section of the tide pool, there are these beautiful purple sea stars. And a group of sea stars we learned today is a galaxy. Part of our sea star dissection, we didn't actually dissect a sea star. I downloaded this thing from Teachers Pay Teachers, and it comes with this really nice printable. And then it also comes with one that's colored already, so that it gives you a really good idea what color to do it. You can do whatever you want. And so then this is my older kids' sea star that they've put together. This one got put together incorrectly by guessing and not following directions. And it's supposed to really look like this, I believe. That's the bottom of the sea star. That's the top of the sea star. And these are its insides. And you learn all about the different insides. But then even my little guys got to do this. So Nick is 8 and he likes to color. So he did all of his on his own. And then Gabe, he is not the coloring's not his favorite thing, but he likes to do his own work. So there was no help. Barely got Mike to do this part. And then I did the rest. I did these 2 pieces here for him because as a family, we need to come together and get this project done. So all of these things take time. You got to print them, you got to cut them, but it pulls together that activity. It gives you time to spend with them. It teaches them all kinds of skills about cutting. And the whole time we watch YouTubes about starfish, and we talk about starfish and our adventures. And these little guys really love their finished product, and I love it too.